Now see, we start chapter number 13, and that is surface area and volume. Area and volume. Semester 2 of Standard 12 CBSE, Standard 10 CBSE, okay? CBSE. This topic is in Semester 2 of Standard 12. Subject is maths. You can understand. Now see, in Standard 9th, you have learned about solid like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere, okay? These 4 types of solid you have learned in Standard 9. Also you have learned how to find out surface area and volume of all those 6 solid figures. Now we are going to learn about solid made up of combination of 2 or more basic solids. Suppose your solid is made up of more than one solid. Suppose base is cylindrical, top is hemisphere, base is cylindrical, top is conical, base is cuboidal and top is hemisphere, like that. It's a combination of 2 solid figure, okay? In 9th standard you have learned how to find out straight sum, how to find out surface area and volume of single solid figure. In 10th standard they are combining 2 solid figure and you are asked to find out volume and surface area of those solids. See, I can give you one example. Have you seen a container carrying oil or water? Fit at the back of truck. Have you seen a truck? At the back of the truck, you can see a container carrying sometimes oil, sometimes water. Now it is made up of cylinder, not only that, cylinder in the middle and hemisphere at its end, okay? So it's a combination of 2 solids. Middle part is a cylinder and top and bottom is a hemisphere. Let us see the following shape. You can tell me what is the combination, huh? See, first I will draw a water tank. See, this is a solid, middle part is cylinder, okay? फिर से गड़बड़ हो गई. Okay, this is a cylinder. And just above the cylinder, top is hemisphere, okay? So this is a water tank, okay? Middle part is cylindrical and top and bottom is a hemisphere. Now I will draw another figure. Have you seen ice cream cone? It is of this type. Right? ऐसे बन गया कोन और उसका टॉप पोर्शन है ना जी, that is a hemisphere. Okay? This is ice cream cone. Okay? This is ice cream cone. It is made up of cone as well as, it's a combination of cone and hemisphere, okay? It's a combination of cone and hemisphere. Clear? Combination of 2 solid figure. Here you can see water tank में क्या दोनों है? Cylinder and 2 hemisphere. Clear? It's a combination of cylinder and 2 hemisphere. Now I will show you a glass of water. See, Have you seen such glass of water? It is like this, cylindrical. ऊपर से भी सिलेंडर, ये सिलेंडर है और ऐसे हेमिस्फीयर इनसाइड, यानी नीचे से भी हेमिस्फीयर. क्लियर? So this is a glass of water. Have you seen such glass of water? मिडल में क्या है? सिलेंडर है और टॉप और बॉटम में क्या है? टू हेमिस्फीयर. मगर अंदर की तरफ से दिस एंड दैट, ये दोनों में हेमिस्फीयर आर at the end but outside of the figure, and here hemisphere are inside the cylinder. Clear? Now have you seen this cuboid and cylinder? See, I will draw this figure. See if I draw a figure like this. Okay, then like this, and like this, and here थोड़ा जस्ट ऊपर से ऐसा, थोड़ा ऐसा करके ऐसा, ऐसे have you seen such type of figure? Look at this figure. This is a cuboid, combination of cuboid and cylinder. Clear? This type of, these are the different shapes formed by the combination of two solid. These are the different shapes formed by the combination of two solid. Clear? Now see, now we are going to learn surface area and volume of a combination of solids. For that you require basic formula for surface area and volume of solid figure. Okay, first is a cuboid. Okay, if your solid figure is cuboid, then what is the lateral surface area of cuboid? Lateral मतलब curved surface area. Lateral surface area, or it is also called area of four walls, or also we can say a curved surface area. Okay, when we are talking about cuboid, this room in which I am sitting is a cuboid. So lateral surface area मतलब area of these four walls. So that can be defined as 2 times L plus B into H. 2 times B into H plus 2 times L into H. Combine करेंगे, 2H common निकालेंगे तो L plus B. Clear? You have learned in 9th standard. But suppose you are asked to find out total surface area. Then total surface area is 4 wall, ceiling and floor. So it is 2 times L into B. मतलब ceiling, area of ceiling plus floor. plus 2 times L into H, मतलब area of two opposite wall, and plus 2 times B into H, so area of another pair of opposite walls. So total surface area का formula है 2 times L into B, length into breadth, plus L into H, length into height, plus B into H, मतलब width into height. Now if you are asked to find out the diagonal of cuboid, what is the formula for diagonal of cuboid? It is under root L square plus B square plus H square. And what is volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is area of base into height. What is area of base? L into B into height, so H. Formula for volume of a regular solid figure is area of base into height. Now what is difference between cube and cuboid? Cube is a special case of cuboid. Cube मतलब if length is equal to breadth is equal to H, then the cuboid is going to become a cube. So I can say it is a special type of cuboid. Cube is a special type of cuboid where length, width and height are same. So suppose your room is cube, shape of room is cube, then curved surface or lateral surface area of cube is nothing but area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls of a cube is 4 times L square. Clear? Because L and B and H are equal. Now total surface area. What is total surface area of cube? Is 6L square, because each wall, ceiling and floor are having equal area because L is equal to B is equal to H. And what is the diagonal of a cube? Diagonal of cube is under root L square plus L square plus L square. So it is root 3 into L. Clear? And what is volume of cube? Volume of cube is area of base into height. Area of base is L square and height is also L. So it is L cube. But volume are always measured in cubic unit. What is? Cubic unit. Diagonal in is a unit. And area is in a square unit. If it is given in centimeter, it is centimeter square. If it is given in kilometer, it is kilometer square. Meter, then meter square, like that. Clear? So, cube and cuboid are two solid figures, and we defined their volume and surface area. Now let us take, it's a revision of 9th standard, okay? What is a right circular cylinder? Right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder matlab it is a cylinder where radius and height are perpendicular to each other. Clear? See, if I draw the figure, it is like cylinder, you know, it is like this. This is a right circular cylinder because this radius and this height. This is my height and this is my radius. Angle between them is 90 degree. H is perpendicular to R. Clear? So, curved surface area. You just recall the formula which you have learned in 9th standard. Or another name of curved surface area is lateral surface area. What is curved surface area or lateral surface area of right circular cylinder? It is defined as perimeter of base multiplied by height. Perimeter of base is 2 pi r into h. So 2 pi r h, where r denotes radius and h denotes the height. So what is the curved surface area or lateral surface area of right circular cylinder? It is 2 pi r h. It is always in square unit. Now see, every time I don't write down, I speak right circular cylinder. It is cylinder. When I speak cylinder, you understand it is right circular cylinder. Now what is total surface area? Including total surface area, including both ends. Are defined as curved surface area plus area of top and bottom. So it is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square, because base is circular, top is also circular. You take out 2 pi r common, in bracket you will get h plus r. This is the formula for total surface area. Now what is the volume? Now suppose you are given a right circular hollow cylinder. Solid नहीं, right circular hollow cylinder. मतलब अंदर से वो, have you seen thermos and a water bottle? They are cylindrical, but they are hollow cylindrical bottle, okay? So now I will give you surface area for right circular hollow cylinder. इसमें टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैसे आएगा? टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ बेस एंड टॉप, मगर दे आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म अ रिंग, ओके, रिंग आउटर एज वेल एज इनर, राइट? कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ आउटर plus inner, and total surface area also outer minus inner. total surface area में subtraction होगा और cross surface area में addition होगा. Clear? See, I will show you the figure. Suppose this hollow cylinder has this type of shape. ये बाहर वाला और एक अंदर भी बॉटल आएगी. दिस इज योर, क्लियर? नीचे भी देयर इज अनदर सिलेंडर. इनसाइड दिस देयर इज अनदर सिलेंडर. तो ऊपर रिंग जैसा बनेगा, ऊपर की रिंग एंड नीचे की रिंग. तो रिंग में क्या आएगा? सपोज आउटर रेडियस इज कैपिटल आर and inner radius is small r. Okay, so total surface area is equal to core surface area plus 2 times area of the ring, 2 times area of बेस रिंग, क्योंकि रिंग दो बनती है, बेस पर भी, बेस में भी और टॉप में भी. क्लियर. 2 टाइम एरिया ऑफ बेस रिंग. तो क्या आएगा? सपोज कैपिटल आर इज अ आउटर रेडियस एंड स्मॉल आर इज अ इनर रेडियस. सो इट इज 2 पाई आर एच प्लस 2 पाई स्मॉल आर एच प्लस 2 टाइम पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस आर स्क्वायर. रिंग मतलब डिफरेंस आएगा. क्लियर. सो माय फाइनल आंसर इज 2 पाई एच. बाहर निकालो, हाइट विल रिमेन सेम, आर प्लस स्मॉल आर प्लस 2 पाई ब्रैकेट में आर स्क्वायर माइनस आर स्क्वायर. अगर 2 पाई कैपिटल आर प्लस आर कॉमन ले लो तो अंदर क्या आएगा? एच प्लस आर माइनस आर. दिस इज द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ राइट सर्कुलर होलो सिलेंडर. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड आउट वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर? You know, volume measure the capacity, right? Volume of cylinder. I am revising, you should recall each and every formula. Is area of base into height. Area of base is pi r square into h. So volume of cylinder is pi r square into h. Clear? Now we are talking about right circular cone. Here also right circular matlab height is perpendicular to radius or radius is perpendicular to height. Let us draw the figure. This is your h, this is your r, right angle, and this height is called slant height. What is called? Slant height is denoted by L. Clear? This is my small r, radius, and radius is perpendicular to height. ABC is a cone. This is suppose your O. So OC is a radius and AO is a height, and A, B and AC are called slant height. Now first we will define right circular cylinder. Matlab radius is perpendicular to height. How do I define slant height? By Pythagoras theorem, my slant height is equal to L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Clear? Now what is core surface area? याद है कि नहीं? core surface area of cone. Cone माने right circular cone, okay? Is pi r into L. L मतलब slant height. Okay? Now how do I define total surface area? All these formula you should remember. Total surface area is area of base, that is pi r square plus core surface area, so pi r L. इसमें से मैं pi r common निकाल दूं तो it is r plus L. Everything you have learned, my dear. And how do I define volume of cone? You know, volume of cone is 1 by 3 times volume of cylinder with same base and same height. So it is 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Clear? So that complete your right circular cylinder, right circular cone, right? Now we are talking about sphere. Have you seen a football or cricket ball? They are spherical in shape. You have learned this. Here total surface area and core area. Total surface area of sphere and core surface area of sphere are same. It is defined as 4 pi r square, where r is a radius of sphere. Okay. And what is volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Suppose you are given a spherical shell. You are given a spherical shell. So it is nothing but spherical shell में surface area outer का आएगा 4 pi capital R square. Suppose capital R is a outer radius. तो outer surface area is 4 pi r square, okay? Right? And suppose you are given a hemisphere. Hemisphere मतलब आधा स्पीयर. तो हेमिस्फीयर में कर्व सरफेस एरिया is 2 pi r square. Is 2 pi r square. But total surface area is 3 pi r square. Why? 2 pi r square core plus base. Okay? देखो हेमिस्फीयर कैसे होता है? ऐसे होता है. So this is area of base pi r square and this is 2 pi r square curved surface area. Okay. स्पीयर कैसे होता है? पूरा होता है ऐसे एंड ऐसे. ओके. बीच का निकाल देते हैं. स्पीयर होता है पूरा ऐसा और ऐसा. क्लियर? तो आधा ऊपर आधा नीचे. क्लियर? एंड दिस इज द रेडियस ऑफ द स्पीयर. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर? Volume of hemisphere is half the volume of sphere, so it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Are you clear? So everything you have learned in 9th standard I just revise. Okay, but in 10th standard one more figure you are going to learn, one more solid figure, and that is called frustum of a Frustum. Frustum of a right circular cone. Frustum of right circular cone. What do you mean by frustum of right circular cone? When a cone is cut parallel to the base from anywhere, it is going to become a frustum. Okay? See, I just draw a frustum. देखो फ्रस्ट्रम कैसे बनता है, ऐसे और नीचे से ब्रॉड हो जाएगा. Clear? So this is your small r and this is your capital R. And this is your height. Okay? And this is going to become your slant height. This is your slant height. Clear? This is called frustum. राइट सर्कुलर कोन में से जो फ्रस्ट्रम बनता है ना, एक कोन है ऐसे, ऊपर से ऐसे काट दो पैरेलल टू द बेस, सीधा कटिंग कर दो. You are going to get a frustum. Now from figure I can define lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, or it is also called curved surface area. आजू बाजू वाला. ओके, बेस और टॉप को छोड़ के, इज इक्वल टू पाई एल आर प्लस आर, पाई आर एल प्लस पाई स्मॉल आर एल. Well, L can be defined as slant height. It is calculated by using this formula, h square plus r minus r whole square. Clear? This is your formula for slant height. You have to remember this formula. Now total surface area. ये एक्स्ट्रा, ये नया है आपके लिए. आगे की सब फॉर्मूला ये वो रिवीजन. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ फ्रस्टम ऑफ अ कोन इज कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ बेस प्लस एरिया ऑफ टॉप. सो इट इज curved surface area is pi L into R plus R plus area of base is pi capital R square plus area of top is pi small r square. Clear? Capital R is a radius of bottom and small r is a radius of top. Clear? This is the formula of total surface area of frustum. Frustum में मैं बता सकती हूँ bucket. Have you seen a bucket? वाटर बकेट. ग्लास टम्बलर देखा है आपने? सो ग्लास टम्बलर एंड बकेट आर वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल. ग्लास टम्बलर एंड बकेट विदाउट लीड आर वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रम. बट वेन यू आर टेकिंग ग्लास टम्बलर और बकेट विदाउट लीड, glass tumbler or bucket without lid, then what is the total surface area? Total surface area is, आपने देखा है बकेट में क्या होता है, ऊपर का टॉप का रेडियस ज्यादा होता है, नीचे का छोटा होता है. क्लियर? तो उसका आंसर आएगा कर्व सरफेस एरिया, तो वही रहेगा पाई एल कैपिटल आर प्लस आर, बट ओनली एरिया ऑफ बॉटम एंड दैट इज अ नैरो. सो रेडियस ऑफ बॉटम इज स्मॉलर देन रेडियस ऑफ द टॉप. So total surface area of glass tumbler or bucket that is without lid. So it is pi L R plus pi R square. Now how do we find out volume of frustum? Volume is defined as 1 by 3 pi h कौन का ही फॉर्मूला ब्रैकेट में r स्क्वायर प्लस r इंटू r. इसको इस तरह से भी लिखा जाता है 1 by 3 h पाई को अंदर ले जाओ तो पाई r स्क्वायर इज a1 प्लस पाई स्मॉल r स्क्वायर इज a2 प्लस पाई r इंटू r. सो इट इज under root a1 into a2, where a1 and a2 are area of top and bottom, areas of top and bottom respectively. Clear? Volume is 1 by 3 pi h, capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into R. बड़े रेडियस को कैपिटल आर लेंगे, छोटे रेडियस को हम स्मॉल आर लेंगे. ओके, दैट कंप्लीट योर फॉर्मूला. क्लियर? ऑल फॉर्मूला वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. ओके, नाउ you have to learn all these formula by heart. Only frustum is new concept, other all formula you know very well. So this सेशन के बाद हम दूसरा सेशन कब ले सकते हैं? जब आप फॉर्मूला लर्न बाय हार्ट कर दो. तो अगर फॉर्मूला बराबर नहीं किया है आपने तो आई एम हेल्पलेस, आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. क्लियर? सो मेहरबानी करके फॉर्मूला लर्न करके आना नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. ओके, देन यू अंडरस्टैंड सम इन डिटेल.